It's been 6 years and 8 months since my last video on YouTube, and a lot has happened since then. We've lived through a pandemic. I've had another child who's now 3. The world seems to have gone a little bit crazy. I've shedded a little bit of timber and lost 5 stone. Liverpool finally won a Premier League. I'm having a slight midlife crisis and my hair's getting longer, and not everyone is happy about that.
Get it cut!
I got glasses. And I broke the glasses. We've extended our house to make an art studio. It's very nice. And I've thankfully been busier than ever with my client work. For those reasons and a host of others, that's why I've not been making videos. And I'm really sorry about that. But Phil Galloway Draws is back, and we're going to be doing it a little bit different this time. More varied content and more often is the key. We're going to be hitting the trails. So Phil Galloway Draws is back, and we're still going to be doing tutorials, tips, techniques on digital art, fine art, all kinds of art. And we're going to be doing tech reviews, tablets, laptops, surfaces, styluses, you name it. But we're going to be mixing it up a little bit. I'm bored of being in the office. I've been stuck in too long. I'm self-employed and I'm on my own most of the time. I want to get out, I want to paint more in the plein air, down by the river, up in the hills. I want to get out and meet people and do some interviews with other creative people. And mainly I want to put these tablets and devices, which are meant to be portable, through their paces. A lot of reviewers test these things in studios and offices, and that's fine, that's great. You get all the specs, all the tech, and you get a really good review, and I've used those reviews many, many times. But these are portable devices. They are meant to be used out and about. What's the lappability like? What's the brightness of the display in the sun? Can they be used to do plein air painting like I've just been doing today? So this is what this channel is going to be more about. More content, more of it, more often. And I hope you join me for the ride. So do all the YouTube shenanigans. Like, subscribe, tell your nan, all that kind of stuff. And I'll see you soon for the next video. Bye now. Okay. Okay. Time for home, methinks. The sky is beginning to bruise. We may be forced to camp. Let's go. And I'm home.